Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making casitos. This dish is inspired by our recent diving trip to Puerto Rico, and what better way to stay a little warm thinking about Puerto Rico than making this incredible dessert. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell. It's the best way to keep our channel growing and the best way for me to provide you weekly videos. Our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. I'm ready to make these delicious casitos. Come, let's bake. So this is the leftover dough, from using the pierogi maker. So I'm just gonna knead it a little bit and roll it out again, and we can continue making these because why waste this? So I went to peek on my little casitos, see how they were doing, and I noticed that one of these little dumplings had opened and the cheese mixture was kind of oozing out. So I took it out of the Omnia just to prevent the mixture from, oozing and spilling onto the actual Omnia and rack. So user error. I perhaps should have not overfilled or press the little pierogi maker a little bit harder to seal all the edges, but this is what we are looking like so far, and we will see how they're doing in about 20 minutes. See you soon. that's a boo-boo.
They opened up on the bottom too.
Some.
Yeah, sticky, delicious goodness.